Hello students, how are you? Hope that you all are fine and enjoying. Today we are going to give you a activity based studies on the concept related to exponent and power, but we will try to relate that concept with the coronavirus. You all know that you are at home due to this coronavirus. As you know that it is spreading all over the world, and it has been started from the China, and now it has reached near about 200 countries all over the world. And you know that there are few symptoms of it, that is headache, high fever, cough, shortness of breath, diarrhea or kidney failure. So there are some precautions we will discuss in this next of this topic. After that, as you know that coronavirus has spread all over India also. Mostly the Delhi, Maharashtra, etc. are the mostly affected area of coronavirus. These are the all data which is related to maths. This, if you want to find the maths, that maths is everywhere. Now the most important part is that the world, all over the world is affected to this coronavirus, and the US especially, the country like US, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, all the cases all are related to this. Now these data can be represented with the help of exponent and power. I will explain in the end of this video. Before that, I want to explain that there is a no vaccine through coronavirus, so we should prevent ourselves. We should wash our hands with soap, we should wear mask, we should eat balanced diet, and we should be careful while contacting the, and we should have the social distancing also. And students, we should wear a mask, already told you. And next one is that we should keep some activities at home, keeping us free from all these things away. So students, you all aware of that. You can do all the activities in yourself, you can save yourself. Okay, so by few methods you can protect yourself. Now the how does this is related to mathematics, I am going to explain this. We comes to that previous slide. So students, we can compare the data given of USA and Spain. So we can compare the data of USA, Spain and Italy. So we are comparing the two data of worldwide on the basis of exponential power. So this is 8,22572, and it can be represented into 8,22572 into 10 raised to power 5. Similarly, that this is the cases of this is the cases of Spain, 208389. These are those countries which are most affected due to coronavirus, and this is 208389 into 10 raised to power 5. Now you can easily compare them. These two are equal, means here the these power and exponent terms are same, so we can compare them easily. Here this 8, we compare this 8 and 2, the digits before the decimal, because these two are the whole number. On the basis of this we can see that 8.22572 greater than into 10 raised to power 5 greater than 2.08389. In the basis of students, one more data is given, that This is the cases and this is the deaths. Same the deaths in USA. And these are 46054 and it can be represented as 4.6054 into 10 raised to power 4. And next one is 21717 and we can write it as 2.1717 into 10 raised to power 4. Here we will compare, these are same and the decimal before the digits is whole number. 4 is greater, so 4.6054 into 10 raised to power 4 greater than 2.1717 into 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power 5. In this way we can compare the greater or smaller on the basis of exponent and power. Or more data are given in this of related. And now you can compare the total global cases. Total global cases are 2594835. So how can we write in the form of exponents and power? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it can be written as 2.59485 into 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 10 raised to power 6. These are the global cases which we can be represented in the form of the exponent and power. As students, we know that it is when the chapter was explained, I said the same thing that these, when the digits are too large, we can represent in the form of exponent and power and we can do the comparative. And if you want to have the global deaths, all over the deaths in the world is near about, that is 181170 and it can be represented in the form of 1.81170 into 10 raised to power 5. Students, you must learn new thing. You have to compare the other countries' data. You can compare from that. You can compare the Italy versus France. You can compare UK versus USA, UK versus Germany. This is your homework to compare the number of cases and number of death on the basis of exponent and power. So what we have learned that larger digits can be represented in the form of exponent and power. Thanks a lot, students. Okay, we have for this concept, and we have to stay at home, keep studying. Don't forget that you are not in school. We are trying to reach you as soon as, and we are keep in touch with these videos with WhatsApp, etc. Please keep touching.